If you've been wondering how to enable cookies in Mozilla Firefox, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact steps to turn on the cookie setting in Firefox so websites can remember your login details, preferences, and other important browsing information. This is especially helpful if a site isn't loading correctly, if you keep getting logged out, or if a page is asking you to enable cookies before you can continue. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access your browser settings. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left sidebar and select Privacy and Security. This is where Firefox keeps its tracking, cookie, and browsing privacy controls. Now scroll until you find the Enhanced Tracking Protection section. This section controls how Firefox handles cookies and trackers while you browse. Click Advanced Settings and then look for the protection options available. To enable the right balance of privacy and site functionality, select the Standard option. Standard is the default Firefox setting and it allows necessary cookies while still blocking known tracking cookies. This means websites can function properly without completely removing your privacy protections. After selecting Standard, your Firefox cookie settings should now allow the cookies needed for most websites to work normally. If a website was giving you trouble before, try refreshing the page or signing in again now that the setting has been updated. And that's it. You've successfully enabled cookies in Mozilla Firefox. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference when websites are not working the way they should. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.